What we're trying to do is to change what's normal. We can do far more with less men.
Yeah, we had some scheduling issues when the job started. It had a move-in date for the client that was fairly aggressive. We knew we had to come up with some solutions. We just didn't know what they were.
This is one single tenant, 170,000 square feet of floor area. One single tenant. I said, wow, you want to get that one in the bag? He said, I sure do.
Shaving 3 months off of schedule on a project like this is a major challenge.
We went out to every single subcontractor and said, look, we've got to do this a better way. We've got to do it a faster way. And Robertson came to the table with a really great idea.
To solve this problem, we came up with a customized solution designed by us called Panelisation.
With panelization, it's erecting something that's already pre-built, and it's much more accurate. And so therefore, in a controlled environment, like in our factory or here on this site, we can control more factors, and we can get it done faster, efficiently, and a much better quality. It's a great system. Our clients come to us because they see that we can solve their problems, we can sit down with them, work through things.
It's important to work with the client from the very beginning in order to build a collaborative team effort. And that way we can better foresee any issues and deal with them right away.
As with any project, when you are looking to shave months off of a job of this size, there's a tremendous savings for the owner and the developer.
And that's where they see value. They see real, true value. And value means dollars and cents. It means bottom line profits. It means on time, on budget.
The 3 months of time savings on this project represent not only hundreds of thousands of dollars in savings, it also allowed us to get our tenant in 3 months earlier, which they're ecstatic about.
It really speeds up the process. Everything comes out a lot more square. There really isn't any chance for it not to be square. Everything's lasered. It's all pre-built on the jig, so every panel comes out exactly the same, which comes out a better product in the end. If we were to build this on the wall with a boom lift or a scissor lift, it would easily take twice as long.
It's very quick and efficient. Simply, put, you're working in a controlled environment when you're prefabbing the panels, so that helps as far as our envelope consultants like, because the drywall doesn't get wet at all, and that's been a concern over the past years, that the drywall gets wet and then you have to wait for the peel stick to go on.
So the risk factor in this application is much lower. It's all controlled by a rigger, and the crane operator are in constant communications. So there's no scissor lifts, there's no boom lifts.
An area that you're prefabbing would take about at least, I'd say, twice as long to stick frame. For scheduling purposes, you free up your crane for, we'll say, a 6 to 8 hour day, and a lot of production will take place. And if you look at this job, you could do the whole job in about a month's time, which you're never going to achieve that with the stick framing.
The panelizing system so far has met our expectations and exceeded them. It's gone much faster than we anticipated.
It's a time saver. You've got better quality control on it, and to me, it's very slick.
They're so happy that we're shaving the timelines, we're bringing the product in accurately, on time, on budget. It can't be any better. The client says this is great. We should have been doing this a long time ago.
I trusted Robertson because I've worked with them before. I've done previous projects with the boys here, and they've always accomplished what they said they were going to do. When they brought this idea to the table, I knew it was going to work. They wouldn't have brought it if it wasn't. But I knew they were up to the task. They've done a great job.